So the formula below is used to evaluate the cost of a transformer based on no load and full load losses. So there's a no load loss and a full load loss, and there's a cost involved in both of them. But basically, the capital cost is equal to A times PO. A is the per unit cost due to no load losses, and PO is the amount of no load losses. And then you sum that with B, which is the per unit cost of the load losses, and you multiply that with PK, which is the losses due to the load. So let's say we have two different transformers, 1 and 2, and then let's say these are some of the values that are involved, right? So you can see that transformer 1, it generally has lower losses compared to transformer 2. And when you take that into consideration, what you end up being for transformer 1 is $29,400. Now this is over the course of 10 years. So the losses over the course of 10 years cost almost $30,000. Whereas on transformer 2, for example, you do the same calcs, but the transformer 2, the losses is $47,000, right? And so the transformer 2 had much higher losses values, right? Normally the cost of A and same for both sides. So on transformer 2, much more higher losses. That results in much more costly losses that the utility has to bear. So losses is a very big deal when it comes to transformer and should be considered. Hello everyone, Abdur Rehman here from AllumiaX Engineering. To learn more and to continue sharpening your technical skills, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, GeneralPAC by AllumiaX, or visit our website at allumiax.com/learn.